Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in this video I will be showing you how to fix Foodpanda not working. So let's get right on the video. In order to fix Foodpanda not working, the first method that you can apply is simply heading over to the App Store, then on the search bar type in Foodpanda. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. Then if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over and open up the Foodpanda application once again, and if it doesn't load, what you need to do is long on the center or open up your recents and then close the app completely. Then simply try again, and if that works, that will fix your issue. If that doesn't work, simply restart your phone. The next is simply heading over to settings option, and once you're inside here, scroll down and tap on general. Once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Foodpanda application and tap on it. Now once you're inside here, simply select offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app that might be causing the issue. Once the process is complete, you'll find an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, your issue should be fixed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful, and see you soon on the next one.